I'll show you how to make YouTube short videos with InVideo AI. Firstly, I'll use the premium iStock footage, and secondly, the generative feature to create generative videos from scratch. I'll use the prompt box right here. Then later on, I'll use the flow feature to create the second video. Make sure you are using the V3 version. That's the latest version. All right, so I'll prompt it. So create a 15-second short video of a hunter being chased in the dark forest by a hungry black bear. So I'll click on generate a video. Alright, so it's analyzing right now. Alright, because it took about 15 seconds to analyze to get to this page. Alright, so like I said earlier on, I'll use generative media. Then later on, I'll show you how to use the stock media to create another shorts. Alright, visual style, realistic, animation or anime. I'll go with realistic. Audiences, trailer fans, adventure seekers or short film enthusiasts. I'll keep it on trailer fans. And platform, YouTube shorts, which is good, and the minute is 15 seconds. So I'll click on continue. Yeah, this part will take a little bit to create, but in case you are in a hurry, please just check this, okay, and you can just turn it on, so when it's ready it's gonna notify you, but I'll say not now. I'll wait a bit. Hopefully it wouldn't take long. All right, so it's done. It took about 7 minutes. All right, so let's play.
Low guttural growl.
Alright, so I'll change the background music because I don't like it. So to do so, I'll click inside this box and type change the background music, something scary and cinematic. Change the background music to something scary and cinematic, and no caption. Alright, yeah, I don't like the captions on it. Generate. Yeah, this doesn't take long, and it wouldn't affect my generative credit limit, like 5 to 7 seconds. Alright, so let's play it again. I'll just
Low guttural growl.
yeah, so I like this one better compared to the previous one, and with the time, instead of 15 seconds it created 11 seconds video. That's the way it goes. All right, so sometimes it might take a few seconds on top or less. Yeah, so to download this, what you have to do is just click on the download button here and click on download. So no watermarks, and in video branding none, and it's gonna use 1080p, because if you're on the free version it's gonna use the watermarks and all these things. Okay, and InVideo AI is creative too. You are responsible for the content of the video. Yes, then click on continue, and downloading wouldn't take long. Right, so it's rendering the video. When it's done, then I'm gonna download it. All right, so it's downloading by itself. It's done, so I'll click on it and watch it again.
Low guttural growl.
This is a high budget YouTube short video in seconds. Alright, so I'm gonna click on InVideo AI logo to go back, and now I'll click on create AI video because I want to create a new one. This time around I'll use the create short video feature down here, okay, or you can click on the workflow. Okay, it's up to you. It's gonna take you, workflow is better. All right, so this is for YouTube short video, which is the first one here. You have explainer video, and the list goes on, but on top of that you have faceless. Okay, if you want to create it in animated style, you can use this one too as well. You have short film, hyper realistic film, documentary. I'll use the first one, short video, and create a, let's click the arrow down, fast paced, very fast paced. I'll go with fast paced. Very fast will be too fast. And so type your topic here, create a 1 minute short video. I stated 1 minute because YouTube short, I believe, is up to 3 minutes now, so be specific. Create a 1 minute short video, about what YouTube automation. Then settings, use only stock media, so let's click on it. Only generative clips. I don't want to use generated clips because I've used one already. I show you the one with the hungry black bear chasing the hunter. The next option is only generated images. That is if you want just image or images. I don't want that. I want only stock media. Okay, so I'll click on that. This way it's gonna use Storyblocks video, Shutterstock videos, and iStock videos. Alright, so background music, let's see. I'll say lo-fi music. And language, English is good, so push it up. Subtitles, I don't want subtitles. I'll leave it. If it adds, I will just edit it. Voice actors, click on it. So for voice, you can use any. That means you leave it for the AI to select any by default, or select a male voice or female voice or my voice. My voice, I have a tutorial on it. That is how to clone your voice. I will show you. It's right here, InVideo AI voice clone. Alright, so you can watch it. But in this case, I'll use male American, let's say voice, clear American voice, and watermark text and music preference. Click here, and I want use YouTube audio library only. Alright, so stock preference right here, click on stock preferences and see what we can get. Alright, so don't use iStock, use fewer iStock, use iStock as needed, only use iStock. So I would say use iStock as needed, just in that way it wouldn't use that much. Okay, then I'll click on continue down here. Okay, it's giving you a second chance to make the necessary corrections just in case, but everything looks good to me. So next, click on generate a video. Yes, it's analyzing it. It takes a while to do. I don't think this will take long because it's gonna use iStock and premium videos. If it's generative credit videos, then yeah, it's gonna take long. I like the title so far. Unlocking YouTube automation, make money fast. Alright, so I'll leave it to do its thing and I'll get back to you when it's done. Oh, that was quick. Just about 10 seconds. Yeah, about 12 seconds. Alright, subtitle style, bold popping, standard, outline. I think I'll leave it like that. Bold popping is good for YouTube shorts. Look and feel, clean, bright, or minimalist zen. I'll leave it the way it is. Platform shorts. Alright, so next click on continue down here. Continue. Yeah, it's analyzing it, and because of the stock media, this wouldn't take long. It's gonna be very fast. Alright, so it's done. This took about, let's say, 3 minutes. So let's play it and see.
You need to watch this if you struggle with making money online. YouTube automation could be your ticket to passive income. So, what is YouTube automation?
Straight up, I don't like the background music. Change background music, something relax, generate. Yeah, and also, like I said, even though I said 1 minute, but it's below 1 minute, which is good. Yeah, it's 53 seconds. It's done, so let's play.
You need to watch this if you struggle with making money online. YouTube automation could be your ticket to passive income. So, what is YouTube automation? It's all about creating YouTube channels that practically run themselves. You don't even have to be on camera. Here's how it works. First, you find a niche. Think cooking, tech reviews, or even funny cat videos. Next, you create content, or hire someone to do it for you. Upload videos consistently, and use SEO to get noticed. The best part? You can automate almost everything. From video editing to thumbnails
Alright, so
to
let me
posting.
pause it because I need to edit something right here. So to edit, click on edit. And from the beginning there was, yeah, like this one for instance, I don't like it, so I'll click on it. And so this is the test. It's about creating YouTube channels that practically run themselves. So at least you expect to see YouTube here. So you can either upload a media, use stock media or generative media, which I will not advise you to use that right now. So click on stock media and search for YouTube and enter. Okay, so you need to scroll this thing up and down. Alright, so we need to check and see which one will be better for us. So you have all these things Like InVideo has all this stuff in there, but it gave me something funny. Alright, so well, it's okay. That's why you have to look into it and edit. You know what? For the sake of this tutorial, I don't want to waste your time. I'll go up and grab something with YouTube on it, and we'll take it. Okay, this is 6. So, and this one is what? Alright, let me go with 8. It's gonna reduce. Yeah, okay, it has reduced this and this one. Camera. Okay, so I'll search for camera, so because it's like you don't have to be on camera, so I will just search for camera. Let's scroll down and I'll scroll up, and click again and type camera here, camera, and enter, and scroll up. Okay, so instead of camera I will type selfie and see if that's gonna work. Yeah, so this one will do. I'll use this one. Yes, then apply, save changes. Alright, so it's working it out. Alright, so let's play it. It didn't take long.
This if you struggle with making money online. YouTube automation.
So I have to start it. Alright, so play.
You need to watch this if you struggle with making money online. YouTube automation could be your ticket to passive income. So, what is YouTube automation? It's all about creating YouTube channels that practically run themselves. You don't even have to be on camera. Here's how it works. First, you find a niche. Think cooking, tech reviews, or even funny cat videos. Next, you create content, or hire someone to do it for you. Upload videos consistently, and use SEO to get noticed. The best part? You can automate almost everything. From video editing to thumbnails to posting. Once your channel gains traction, you start making money through ads.
Pause it, and I liked it so far. So what I'll do next, click on download video, and no watermark, no InVideo branding, and they're gonna use 1080p, and these are the things you need to take note of. InVideo AI is creative tool. You are responsible for the content of the video. This expert will use 2 iStock licenses, which is good. You have 56 iStock licenses quota left, which resets in 25 days. Click on continue. So it's rendering right now. It doesn't take long to render. So this, I'll switch it to private just so nobody can copy it. Alright, so to view, click on open.
You need to watch this if you struggle with making money online. YouTube automation could be your ticket to passive income. So, what is YouTube automation? It's all about creating YouTube channels that practically run themselves. You don't even have to be on camera. Here's how it works. First, you find a niche. Think cooking, tech reviews, or even funny cat videos. Next, you create content, or hire someone to do it for you. Upload videos consistently, and use SEO to get noticed. The best part? You can automate almost everything. From video editing to thumbnails to posting. Once your channel gains traction, you start making money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Imagine earning cash even while you're chilling or sleeping. Invest your time smartly at the start and watch the automation magic happen. So, why not give YouTube automation a shot? It's like having a money-making machine at your fingertips. Hit that like button if you're ready to start your journey.
I have a complete breakdown about the prices, so if you want an in-depth review on pricing, watch this video. Tell me what you think and drop your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to use my link, that is my affiliate link, to sign up. Alright, take care, bye for now.